Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify Plus to ERP systems. So first thing, we got to go to apps and click on app and sales channel settings. Now from here, just click on develop apps and create an app. So there are a lot of apps for ERP systems, so one that is recommended is FamShop. So I'm just gonna type in FamShop and just input the app developer and create an app. Now once you're here, just go to API credentials, and from here you have the API key and secret key in which you can connect to the app, which is FamShop. So once you're copied this API key and API secret key, it's connected to the app and you're done. Thanks for watching.